Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to be making you a delicious, deep fried, extra crispy, boneless chicken breast in my Butterball XL. And I'm finna show you the ingredients that I got. First of all, this is the chicken breast. I put like 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise by HELLMAN'S, and I put a tablespoon of mustard in it. Okay, now here's your flour, and I have the seasoning up here on the top, and I'm gonna show you that. So it's kind of big on so I had to just put it on top. This is the onion powder right here. This is a tablespoon. I'm gonna put that in there. This is Obey and cayenne pepper. There's like a half a teaspoon of both. I'm gonna put that in there. This is poultry seasoning. This is a teaspoon. Put that in there. This is granulated garlic. Teaspoon. Put that in there. And right here I have some pink sea salt and black pepper. And it's a teaspoon, and both of them is teaspoons. And I'm gonna put that in there. Now, I do want to put some lemon pepper in there also. So I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. Now I'm gonna put a tablespoon of that in there. Okay, that's lemon pepper. Alright. And this flour, I use like 2 cups of flour. And I use, let's see, how much did I use this? I used 2 tablespoons of this starch, cornstarch, right here. And that's it. And all I'm going to do is just shake this up, mix the seasoning in this bag. Flip them around. Now with the assistance of my son, I'm going to get him to carry this back to the counter, because I can't, you know, it's kind of heavy because I got peanut oil in there. And I'll show you that. That's what I used. It's like 2 of these. So these are gallons. So it's two gallons that goes up in here. So I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the bag, shake them up, and when these get hot, then we'll just drop them. And I'll show you how those look in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and get this on. So I think my deep fryer's ready. Butterball. So yeah, this is boneless. And the mayonnaise, it makes it real tender and juicy. All that extra stuff, right? So I'm just gonna try to bread as much as I can. I'm gonna let it sit in this bag. See that? So always washing your hands every time. Alright, that's all I'm going to do. I'll show you guys what I'll be doing after this. Put it in the deep fryer. The Butterball deep fryer. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Go ahead and drop this basket. Only reason I do that because the crust is thick, make the chicken stick. So chicken in the flour for about 10 minutes. Try to shake off some of the excess and drop it. guys ain't got a Butterball, you guys go get you one. I'm telling you. Get a lot of stuff at one time. And you can use it to do like a seafood boil and all that stuff. Yes, you can put water in instead of grease. So yes, it is something really nice to have for something like that. And you got the basket already in it. So. Alright guys, we're just gonna let that cook. I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and take this chicken out. Alright, we're gonna let that rest, plate it up, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Done with these boneless chicken breasts, extra crispy. And there it is. Right here. Look at that. But you gotta get that piece right there. Oh yeah. That's how tender it is. When you can break it with your fingers, it's tender. Oh, super good. Oh. Mess up my thumbnail. I want to mess up my thumbnail too bad. That is real good. Okay guys, I'm going to dig in. I'm going to eat this up with my beans and my hot water cornbread. So you guys please give me a like, a share, and subscribe, and comment. And let me know who you guys is. And please hit that bell for me, so I know who you are and become a part of the dog squad. I'm saying that to say this, I'll see you guys next time in Veldog's Kitchen in a minute.